it's Mrs. Thornton. I have a story for you. It's called Let It Rain. What season do you think it is? Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Let it rain, it's spring. Springtime now. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. I hear some rhyming words. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our flower garden turns to mud. Let it rain, rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens and little chicks.
A little chick.
Building, painting way up high, our little house in the sky.
In the sky.
But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants.
Our farmer?
Kind of silly. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, bebop beat.
Bebop bee.
But soon, steamy classroom, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our
Feet.
Hey, then. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Summer is coming, let it shine.